even Liepo, the one who scored, never had a great good game. I can tell you. Mboneni namhlanje trying the entire enzile midweek. Le kufuna ukora ku Okat Engel. I don't understand why. Melanga ngenze le nto leya.
It worked during the week.
Yeah, that's why ngithi la kayiphindi kayi7. Yabo luck circulate. So a very scrappy game. Say the Chiefs for winning.
Yes.
But truly speaking, how the game plays, especially Chiefs, the 30 game is my Peter. One of my expectation, they're playing home, a big stadium, beautiful as well. But I never saw them. Guti, was the identity, the philosophy of the coaches too, because when you win this way, in fact, it's a question mark. Because you will get exposed, you'll get one team will beat you 3-4. Yeah, because they've never been tested in today's game.
You don't think this is their philosophy? Of just
Mangithi mina philosophy abangiyazi banama surprises.
Yeah.
But sometimes it look like ball share and they play long balls. I want to find out because in today's game I saw so many long balls. Midfielders, both teams, they never function. Kaizer Chiefs and Kulmango. I saw Mabuye uyahamba land.
He was also unlucky not to score.
Yeah, that's why I'm
to
Mabuye Pololas. But if you don't have abantu about complementary, Mfundo Vilakazi is chance yakhe today to shine. I don't think he can carry the team. Not now. He can't carry the team. I'm not too sure in the future as well. Because Chiefs is a big team. Chiefs Bazokchela, my player that you were playing previously. You signed today. In 3 weeks after preseason, you left. Kaizer Chiefs, they used to be superstars. Because players at Kaizer Chiefs, they are so comfortable. And they perform this way week in and week out. We also game. That's for me. It's a pity because now they are winning. It's very difficult to describe. Because both teams, they play as if they never trained so long. Maybe ngathi kuba ngathi babhothi ngikhuluma ngayo le team izesikhona Kaizer Chiefs kuba ngathi bagcina ukutraina 2 months ago they kind abadlali ngathi abazani they play as if they don't know each other like no combination play very how you going to create Chiefs ikore nge mistake abachita well done to them I think singla uthe Uliepo good technique good positioning lapha good first touch as well good finish I think 2 goals in a row some nigga credit also Mabuye I think not to say it's a stunning game, but to learning a moment, being in control of the game. You will single out players. Scrappy game because of big number ball players, both teams. There's no ball players. Number ball players in both teams. That's why one of my long balls in Kulmagu Kaizer Chiefs and this team. The team they own because they've got tall players, they're like my set piece. It throw in itself of a chance.
Yeah.
Not a fluid game. Chiefs they are playing home. They scored a goal, start defending too deep from the center. I'm not too sure why. Even Liepo, the one who scored, never had a great good game. I can